In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add active post fundamentals in TradingView Pro. We're going to walk through step by step how to bring active post data directly onto your TradingView chart using the built-in fundamentals tools. This is great if you want to quickly see social and community activity around a symbol without leaving your chart or juggling multiple tabs. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for the symbol you want to analyze. It can be any stock, crypto, or other asset you normally trade. Once your chart is loaded, we'll start by opening the Indicators menu. Look toward the top of your TradingView chart and find the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it may simply say Indicators or show an icon that looks like a pulse or function symbol. Click on that to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. This is where TradingView organizes all of its built-in tools, custom scripts, and data overlays. Inside this panel, you'll see a few different categories. What we want to work with today are the fundamentals, which are data points tied to the underlying asset, not just price action. Find the fundamentals section in the list and click on it to expand. If you don't see it immediately, you can scroll down the left side of the panel until it appears. Fundamentals include things like earnings, financial ratios, and in our case, social and community activity. Once fundamentals is open, look for the social category. Social data focuses on things like post activity, sentiment, and engagement around the asset. Click on social to open that subset. This narrows down the list to only tools that relate to social information, which keeps the panel from feeling cluttered and makes it easier to find exactly what we need. Now, inside the social section, locate active post. This is the fundamental overlay that shows you the level of active posting or discussion related to the symbol you're charting. Click on active post once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually as a separate pane below your price chart or as an overlay, depending on the default settings. From here, you can hover over the active post area to see exact values and how activity changes over time. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can open the settings for that indicator and modify colors, line styles, or visibility to match your charting style. And that's it. You've successfully added active post fundamentals in TradingView Pro using the indicators, fundamentals, and social menus. If you're ready to start using this on your own charts, use the link in my description to sign up.